Hey there, so let's solve problem 2060 from LeetCode in APL. This is minimum sum of 4-digit number after splitting digits. So the problem statement says we are given a positive integer consisting of exactly 4 digits. Right, so sorry. What I was saying is we get a positive integer num that contains exactly 4 digits. So then we split the number into two new integers by using the digits found in num. We can use leading zeros for both new numbers, and all the digits found in num must be used. So for example, given 2932, the following digits we have to use are the 2, the 2, the 3, and the 9. And we can build new pairs of numbers like 2293, 2392, 2239, etc. And we want to return the minimum possible sum of new 1 and new 2. Okay, that's interesting. Let me think. Well, there's one thing we can do is we can brute force. So we can either brute force or we can come up with a clever algorithm. I think for a clever algorithm, what we can do is we can order the digits in ascending order, and the two smallest ones should be the unit digits, and then the other two, the tens should go in the tens place, and then the other two don't really matter because they go in the units position. And yeah, I think that's the clever algorithm. I'm thinking, is there a case in which it's worth having a digit in the hundredths place of the first new number and just have the second new number be a single digit? But that's never useful, because you can always move the digits from the hundredths place. So this 3 right here, you can always move it to the tens place of the other number, and that makes it cheaper. So yeah, so we can go with a clever algorithm. Nice. Let's take a test case. Now do I have, I have dialog here, so there's the input. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split the number into its digits. And now we're going to sort the digits in ascending order. In ascending order, sure. And now the final sum is going to be this digit in the tens place and this digit in the units, this digit in the tens place and this digit in the units. And we could build the numbers and then sum them, but that's just wasteful, because we know what we want to do is we want to do this. So by taking this mask 10, 10, 1, 1 and multiplying with what we had so far, we are essentially making these numbers go to the tens place, and then by summing everything we just compute the final sum that we care about. And if you want to make this shorter, you can do it like so. So we can make this even shorter. Whoops, what did I do? Right, my bad. This needs to be parenthesized. Yeah, I guess this works. Okay, I put this together quicker than I expected. So yeah, just to review what's happening, we are taking the input number and we are splitting it into its digits, and then we sort those digits. Do we need to sort them? Well, we don't really need to sort them, we just need to find the two smallest ones. So let's see, when we find the smallest ones, what do we do? Well, let's just sort them to keep this video shorter. So we split the number in digits, we sort the digits, and then we give them the weights depending on whether they're going to be placed in the tens place or in the units place. And so the weights can be built with this by expanding the 10 and the 1, and then obviously multiplying. I forgot I forgot the multiplication here. So we multiply and then we sum everything together. And we did this with one test case. Let's check the other that we had in here with some zeros. And we put the number there and we get the 13 back. So there you go. This was problem, what? Problem 2160 of LeetCode in APL. See you soon.